Coffee is served.
Thank you.
Good morning. Just leaving the campground and headed to Cumberland, Maryland. So it's gonna be a like 80 some mile day. So wish us luck. Here we go. Not a bad night's sleep. Connellsville. Free camping, $10 showers. Bikes are all loaded up. Ready to go. There it is. Washington, D.C. 280 miles. You ready for this?
I was born ready.
Let's go. I don't know if you can see it. There is a bear right up there. Well, we better go. A little deer action. Chilling in the trail. Gonna run him over. Oh, there he goes. That's cool. Coming up to Ohio Pile. We hope, yeah. Getting hungry already, so making progress. Just came up on this bridge. I don't know, maybe about 5 miles before Ohio Pile. It is gorgeous. Look at that. Pretty sweet. We are still ready to eat though.
Oh, yeah.
Need a Pepsi. Real healthy drink. I need a Pepsi. See you guys in a minute. We're trying to get to Ohio Pile, but these bridges are just magnificent. Checking these out. Actually, I think that might be Ohio Pile. Made it. Stopping in Ohio Pile. Time for a little lunch. Boiling up some water. Got some meals. So Heidi, how was your first dried food meal?
Who knew freeze-dried chicken teriyaki could taste so good? Way to go.
Mountain in the house.
Mountain in the house.
Woo! Mountain house.
With some coffee.
Yeah, how much was that coffee?
More than I should have paid.
$3 for a small coffee. We should have just made our own. That's all right. Sometimes it tastes better when someone else makes it.
That's why I love traveling with you. I take Dave coffee every morning, like when the pre-made coffee pot that's already made. But when we go on these trips, he is in charge of all cooking and coffee making. So he brings me fresh brewed coffee in the morning. We should camp more often.
There's the falls, Ohio Pile. A little out of focus. Let's see if I'm reeling in a little bit. Yeah. Good. What's up, Heidi? Woo! Beautiful. Looking good. Time to get back on the road. Bikes are looking good. Holding up well. Made it to Confluence. Gonna head into town now. Whew. It's getting a little warm out. Feeling good. We're in Confluence and we got some water and we got these cool postcards from the local bike shop.
We're gonna send them to Joss and Dave's mom.
We're gonna send them out while we're here.
Send them to our family while we're here.
Yeah, we're okay. Okay, back on the road. Let's go. Lots of cool bridges. Look how pretty that is. Pinkerton. Pinkerton Tunnel. Woo. About to hit almost ready to hit 100. 99.37. 100 miles. Coming up. Beautiful. Woo! Almost 100. Here we go. Let's watch it. Oh, 100 miles.
And there's a bench to eat.
Ah, finally, we get to take a break. Ah, break time. 100 miles. I'm gonna fall over. For today's snack, is it lunchtime? I don't even know what time it is.
1:47.
1:47. Creamy, peanut butter, granola bars.
That's Aldi's, not Jif. It's no recalls on the Aldi brand.
Oh yeah, of course not. Water bottles filled. Check. Food in our bellies. Okay. Let's keep it going. So I think we're at the halfway point for today. We need 44 more miles to go. 23 to the Mason-Dixon line. All downhill after that. How you hanging in there? You fading?
I'm fading, but
Okay.
it's all right. We're gonna get some Pepsi. Good to go.
Okay. Whole bunch of bike artwork along the way. It's cool with the wheels. So, next quest, get some Pepsi. Is this our first Pepsi of the day? If not, it tastes like it. Oh my God, is it good?
No, we had one in Ohio, Pile.
Second one.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Woo! Check it out. Yeah. Almost to Myersdale. I'll admit, I'm getting a little worn out. Made it to Myersdale.
Here's where we are.
Let me see. Okay.
Right here.
Yeah.
We're gonna go down past Sand Patch
Uh-huh.
and past Deal. Right here is the great highest point.
All downhill from there.
All downhill from there.
Cool.
So, I don't know how long it said till Frostburg, but it wasn't too long.
Okay.
I think we're good.
Take a little mini break and
Mini break.
keep it moving.
Sounds good to me.
We got ourselves a little turtle.
He's going about as fast as we are right now.
Horrible. About another mile to the Continental Divide, and it's all downhill. This is brutal. We're making it though. You got another turtle? Yeah. Let's see something. Could that be it? To get a little closer. Here we go. Yeah. Holy moly. Yeah. Whew. We made it, Heidi. Whew, she's taking pictures. Check this out. Yeah. Okay. So, that's where we are right here. And we just went up from Connellsville all the way up. And now, yeah, going to Cumberland. Whew. It's good. All downhill. Whew. So starting from the beginning, Pittsburgh. There's the elevation. And then Washington, D.C., final destination. Looking good.
Oh, baby! Yes!
Woo! That's what I'm talking about! Big Savage! Woo! Loving the lights. I got my light on, but it is freezing in here. I think it said how long this tunnel is. Back there on one of the things. It is long. What do we have here? Dang! Holy moly. Look at that. You stopping? Yeah, I'm gonna stop for a second. The old surly long haul trucker. Loaded down, gets a little squirrely at these speeds. Just going for it. Whew, we almost made it. Cumberland, here we come. It's getting dark. We're starving. Almost there. Made it to Cumberland. Oh, what a day. Huh?
Yeah.
Whew. Ready to call it a night. Eat some food. Hit the trail in the morning.
Here, babe. Hi.
Oh, I'm stuck.
You said 320?
320.